Alright guys, thank you for checking out Stormtopia.com, the Stormtopia.com Facebook page. We have our daily weather update right now. Taking it one storm at a time here behind yesterday's storm, which was a bust for some. We're looking at a coastal storm today, which will become a decent snow producer for some areas because of the high ratios that we're looking at. Current radar imagery this morning showing snow spreading through southern Jersey into Delaware. Okay, moderate to even heavy at times. And what's interesting about this event and what's going to make it interesting is the snow ratios, because of the very cold temperatures. Everywhere where you see in the yellow is where it's in the 20s right now. Anywhere where you see in the green is where it's in the teens. Alright, so definitely a cold day, and definitely going to be some decent ratios coming out of this event. You know, admittedly, you're warm advecting here in portions of eastern Massachusetts into the Maine coast, but even with that being the case, we're still talking about you know, when the storm comes through, it's going to pull in colder air out of the north, and you'll switch back to a west wind here for these portions of southeast New England, okay? So, taking a look at what the models have to say, 60 NAM run, okay. Taking you out to 12 hours, there's snow spreading through Jersey, and there's upsloping snow in the Appalachians. As we continue to make our way out through time, the low pressure center moves off to the northeast, and then you see snow here for portions of southeast New England. And what happens here is, in terms of snowfall accumulations, I'm thinking a widespread 1 to 3 inches, with some spots possibly getting more here for eastern Pennsylvania and northern New Jersey. Southern central New Jersey, you're looking at least 2, 3, 4, 5 inches here, and there are some spots that could even get up to 6, especially along the coast with these high ratios. And then the same deal goes out for southern New England, looking at a widespread 3 to 5 inches. Some areas might get a little less, except with the bands of snow that we're seeing this morning, could add an additional 1 to 2 inches before the low pressure center actually passes by. So you might end up seeing 4 to 7 inches in some spots across southeast Mass, especially in those heavier bands, because of the 1 to 2 inches that we see earlier in the day. Like, I actually live right here, okay, pretty close to where we're talking about, and it's snowing right now, and we're accumulating well before the snow has even reached us, which is what I'm talking about. Alright, so that's it. Taking it one storm at a time, we'll talk about the storm for Dixie Alley into the southern mid-Atlantic, and hope you enjoy this forecast video. Please spread the word about our website, and have a great day.